Keeping your garden neat requires the right tool for clean and effortless trimming. Best Hedge trimmers for home use helps homeowners maintain hedges, shrubs, and bushes quickly and efficiently. In this video, we'll explore some reliable options that make yard work easier and more precise. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER BEHT 350FF Hedge Trimmer. The BLACK+DECKER BEHT 350FF Hedge Trimmer is a practical and dependable option for homeowners who need a reliable tool to maintain hedges, shrubs, and bushes. Designed with a powerful 4.0 amp motor, this corded hedge trimmer provides consistent cutting performance without worrying about battery life or downtime. It can easily cut branches up to 3/4 inch thick, making it suitable for most residential trimming tasks. The 22-inch dual-action blade helps reduce vibration while delivering smooth and efficient cutting, allowing you to trim large sections of hedges with less effort. This feature is especially useful when shaping hedges or trimming vertical and horizontal surfaces. Because it's corded, the tool provides unlimited runtime, which is ideal for bigger yards or extended landscaping work. Overall, the BEHT 350FF combines steady power, comfortable handling, and reliable cutting ability, making it a solid choice for everyday garden maintenance. Number 2. WORX Nitro WG286 Hedge Trimmer. The WORX Nitro WG286 Hedge Trimmer delivers impressive performance for users who want cordless convenience with strong cutting power. Powered by a 40-volt battery system, this hedge trimmer is capable of slicing through branches up to 1 inch thick, which makes it suitable for tougher shrubs and larger hedges. Its 23-inch cutting length helps cover more area with each pass, allowing users to complete trimming tasks more efficiently. One of its standout features is the high-efficiency brushless motor, which offers greater power, longer runtime, and improved durability compared to traditional brushed motors. The fast dual-action blades operate at speeds of up to 3,400 strokes per minute, producing smooth, precise cuts while minimizing vibration. In addition, the laser-cut diamond ground blades help reduce plant damage, supporting healthier hedge growth over time. The rotating rear handle makes switching between horizontal and vertical trimming positions simple and comfortable. With compatibility across the WORX PowerShare battery platform, this hedge trimmer is a versatile tool for maintaining a clean, well-shaped garden landscape. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER LHT2220 Hedge Trimmer. The BLACK+DECKER LHT2220 Hedge Trimmer is a cordless solution designed for homeowners who want convenience and dependable trimming performance. Equipped with a 22-inch dual-action blade, this hedge trimmer reduces vibration while providing smooth and efficient cutting. It can easily handle branches up to 3/4 inch thick, making it suitable for routine hedge and shrub maintenance around the yard. One of the most notable features is its impressive runtime, capable of trimming up to 3,000 square feet of hedges on a single charge under typical conditions. This makes it a practical choice for medium-sized landscapes. The wraparound front handle allows for comfortable control from multiple angles, which is especially helpful when shaping hedges or trimming both vertical and horizontal surfaces. A full-length trigger with a soft grip handle further enhances comfort during extended use. Built with durable blades designed for long life and precise cuts, the LHT2220 offers a good balance of power, efficiency, and convenience for homeowners looking to maintain neat and healthy hedges. Number 4. EGOPower HT2410 Hedge Trimmer. The EGOPower HT2410 Hedge Trimmer stands out as a powerful cordless tool designed for demanding yard maintenance. Featuring a high-efficiency brushless motor, this hedge trimmer delivers strong and consistent performance while maintaining energy efficiency. Its 24-inch dual-action hardened steel blades provide excellent cutting reach and durability, making it easier to trim large hedges quickly and cleanly. The trimmer can cut branches up to 1 inch thick, which allows it to tackle heavier shrubs and dense hedge growth with confidence. Another useful feature is the electric brake system that stops the blade motion quickly after releasing the trigger, offering improved safety and control. The reciprocating blade design also helps reduce vibration while delivering smoother cuts that are less stressful on plants. Because it is battery-powered, the HT2410 provides the convenience of a cordless operation without the limitations of a power cord. Built for reliability and strong performance, this hedge trimmer is a solid option for homeowners who want professional-level trimming power in a cordless design.
Number 5. DEWALT DCHT821B Hedge Trimmer. The DEWALT DCHT821B Hedge Trimmer is designed for users who want a durable and powerful cordless trimming tool for regular landscape maintenance. Equipped with a strong, high-output motor, this hedge trimmer can easily handle branches up to 3/4 inch thick, making it effective for shaping hedges and cutting through overgrown shrubs. Its 22-inch laser-cut hooked-tooth blades provide clean, precise cuts and allow users to trim larger sections of hedge with each pass. One of the most appealing features is its long runtime, offering up to 78 minutes of operation under typical conditions, which is ideal for extended trimming sessions. The tool also includes a friction clutch that helps protect the transmission when encountering obstacles, adding an extra layer of durability. With a compact design that is about 39% smaller than previous models, it helps reduce arm fatigue and improves maneuverability during use. Overall, the DCHT821B combines strong cutting ability, durability, and comfort, making it a dependable choice for maintaining tidy and well-shaped hedges. Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.